sunny. It was 49.
This is a test from the National Weather Service office in Green Bay. We just activated the public warning alarm tone, which normally precedes the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm system for no weather radio stations: WXJ 89 Wausau, KIG65 Green Bay, WXN 69 Sister Bay, WWG 88 Crandon, WWF 40 Coloma, WNG 552 New London, WNG 553 Wasaki, and WNG 565 Rhinelander. Specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal for severe weather watches and warnings issued for central and northeast Wisconsin. Tests of this alarm system are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings that affect these 9 no weather stations for central and northeast Wisconsin. For a complete list of the transmitter locations, frequencies, and the counties they serve, please contact the Green Bay National Service Office at 920-494-2363 and select option number 7. This list is also available on the internet at weather.gov/GRB. This concludes the test of the public warning alarm tone. We now return to regular programming.